everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a huge beauty skincare haul, and I'm so excited because I have a bunch of new products that I wanted to share with you guys. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome. My name is Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos. So I'd love it if you guys consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done already. Also, make sure to check out my blog at FABIOLAGbeauty.com, and also follow me on Instagram at FABIOLAG. So the first item I want to show you is actually a kit. This one here is from TONYMOLY, and this was actually sent out to me to try out and review from Octoly and TONYMOLY. So thank you so much for sending this out. I absolutely adore this brand. I do have some other products from this brand and I love their packaging. They have the most beautiful and adorable packaging ever, you guys. So this one here is called the Glow For It. It has 5 of their best-selling rose and peach products, and it's valued at $44 and it is retailed for $33, which is great. You do get 5 products in there. So you get 2 of the masks. These are the Rose Vitalizing facial masks. You can even use one for you and one for your friend. So also inside the kit are these adorable products. Look how cute the packaging is. So the first one is this adorable pink panda. Look how cute this is. It's so adorable. It's called the Panda's Dream Rose Oil Moisture Stick, and basically it's just like almost like a lip balm, but you can use it on your skin. It's like an oil moisturizer, and it smells so good, you guys. Also in there is the I'm Rose hand cream, and this here is so nice and it smells amazing like roses. This is the one. And then there's also a Panda's Dream Rose Hyaluronic face cream. I hope that's how you say it. I actually have something from Panda's Dream, but it's not this one, and it's so good for your skin, so I am very excited to try this one out. And then the last product in there is the Sweet Peach Punch Foam Cleanser, and it smells like peaches from TONYMOLY. I want to smell this, see if it smells like peaches. Oh, it's closed. It does. So these are the 5 products in there, and like I said, it's only $33, which is a really good deal, especially if you want to try something out from this brand. This is the great way to go. So next I have 2 beauty products from the brand Kevyn Aucoin, and I have this one here, which is called the Glass Glow Face. This was actually sent out to me from Kevyn Aucoin and Octoly for me to try out and review, but let me tell you guys that this is like my favorite at the moment. So it's like a highlighter, and this actually in the color Prism Rose. They do have like other colors, but I chose this one because it has like a little bit of like a peach pinkish undertone, but it's beautiful. So you put it on the skin, and can you guys see how glowy my skin looks? It almost gives you like this beautiful glass looking skin texture. It is absolutely beautiful. So you can use this like under your makeup. You can use it by itself if you want to just create this beautiful glowing look. You can even use it on those highlighting points, you know, like the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow over here. But you guys, you have to try this. It's amazing. So the next thing I want to show you guys is also from Kevyn Aucoin. This was actually also sent out to me from Octoly and Kevyn Aucoin, so thank you so much because I absolutely adore your products. So this one here is called the Sculpting Powder, and this is actually what I used today to create this contour effect. It is so pigmented. I literally just dipped my brush very lightly onto this product and I got this really beautiful intense contour on the face. You can also use it as a bronzer. You can use it in so many different ways, and it comes packaged so beautiful in this velour pouch. All the products come packaged with these velour pouches, which is so chic and so luxurious. And this is the product right here. Look how pretty that is. You just press that and then you get the powder. And like I said, only a little bit goes a long way. So I'll make sure to leave you guys the links to these products down there below. Let's go ahead and move on to some skincare products. So last week I posted something on my Instagram that the company Bliss had sent me, and I loved these items, you guys. I was like so happy with the box. They actually sent me this like beautiful box with a bunch of products for your skin, and also for me to create my own like fizzy drinks, which was really awesome because they included like the little bottles with syrup, and they even had like lemons inside. Basically it had like everything for me to create like a yummy drink, and I used it all, loved it. So this is called the Bliss Rose Gold Rescue. This is a gentle moisturizing cream, and it is for sensitive skin. So you guys know, I don't know if you guys seen my other videos, but I do mention a lot that I do have very sensitive skin, and this is one of the reasons why I love these products from Bliss, because they do have a lot of their products are for sensitive skin. They are cruelty free, paraben free, and I just absolutely love it. It is a very rich and thick cream, so if you do have like super dry skin, this will be like amazing. So I got this, and then I also got a spray. It's called the Rose Gold Rescue Soothing Toner Mist for sensitive skin also. This one here I did use the other day, and it does feel really good on the skin. It almost gives you this kind of like refreshed feeling, you know. It's like so nice, and you can throw this on after you cleanse your face. You spritz it on, leave it on, and it feels amazing. So I got these, and then from the box, the watermelon box that you guys probably saw the picture on my Instagram, I did get these products. This one here is called the Watermelon Water Jelly Hydrator. This here, you guys, is fabulous. It smells like watermelon, and this one here I love. So you only need a tiny bit of this. You spread it on your face. It spreads on so nice. This is great for those days that your skin is just, you know, dying of thirst and it feels super dry. This here will be great. I also got this face mask. This one's called the Watermelon Reviving Distressing Overnight Mask. You leave it on overnight, and then next morning you wake up with this beautiful, soft, distressed skin. This here is fantastic. If you don't want to leave it overnight, you can also just apply it, leave it on for a few minutes, and clean it off, but it's fabulous. I also got this one that is called the Watermelon Replenishing Watermelon Toner. And this here is also great for the skin, and I love this dispenser because it looks like this. You just put your cotton ball or your cotton pad, I use cotton pads, and then you just press it down, the product comes out. It's fantastic, you guys. So those are the products. I'll also leave you guys all those details in my blog. I also got this other PR package from Pixi. This is another of my favorite beauty products and skincare items. I love this brand Pixi, you guys. All their items are such good quality. Their makeup is beautiful. They do sell it at Target, also on their website at Pixi Beauty, but I love this, and look how cute this is. It's called the Pixi Skin Treats Vitamin C 5 Power Packed Skin Treats, and I love these. I use these a lot. So there is this here which is called the Vitamin C Juice Cleanser. After I wash my face, I take a cotton ball and I apply this all over my face, and it gives me this really nice brightening effect. It does have orange flower water, and it's a brightening cleanser, and I can definitely say that it brightens up your face. After I use that, I put some of this tonic water. It's the Vitamin C Tonic. It has vitamin C and ferulic acid, which is a brightening toner. And then I apply some of this oil on my face, and I only use a tiny bit amount. I only use like 2 or 3 drops, and I kind of just rub it on my hands and then just apply it on my face. This one is the Vitamin C Serum, and let me show you. It actually kind of looks like orange juice. Can you guys see that? After I use that, depending if it's during the day, I like to use the Vitamin C Lotion to finish off. And if it's at nighttime, I use this balm, which is a little bit thicker than this, and it's very hydrating. A little bit goes a long way, and the next morning you just wake up with this really nice radiant texture on your skin. This one is called the Vitamin C Caviar Balm, and it's a leave-on mask. So this one here is good for the nighttime. So before we end the video, I also wanted to show you guys my new beautiful earrings that I got. These are from Kate and Chloe, and they are stunning. These are called the Ivy earrings. They are 18 karat white gold. I love them, and I love the clasp in the back. They are so comfortable. I like earrings that are not, you know, heavy, and these are great. Like I said, they are very comfortable. They are stunning. They are beautiful. They go with like so many outfits. Also, Kate and Chloe were so kind enough to offer my subscribers an amazing discount. I'll leave you guys that code down below as well as in my blog. And they are running this amazing giveaway that you can win up to $600 worth of items. So make sure you check out their website, enter their giveaway. That is just fantastic, and it's amazing that you guys can be able to enter this giveaway and try out some of their gorgeous jewelry. So yeah, you guys, that was it for my huge haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.